If admiring the glacier walls of the Hubbard Glacier, exploring the vibrant city of Vancouver, or boarding the legendary Rocky Mountaineer, all whilst cruising on the incredible Celebrity Eclipse, then make sure you don't miss out on this week's amazing Deal of the Week. On the 7th of September 2019, Planet Cruise will fly you out to Vancouver for the start of your 12-night adventure, where you'll have a night to relax and enjoy this magical city with a stay in a hotel. You'll have a day at travelling up the Inside Passage to settle in and get to know the Eclipse ship, which is stunning, by the way. After a relaxing day at sea, you'll arrive in the Icy Strait Point, a picturesque archipelago separating the Chichagof Island and the Alaskan Mainland. Over the next 3 days, you'll visit the Hubbard Glacier, Juneau and Ketchikan, giving you some once-in-a-lifetime photo opportunities of the Mendenhall Glacier in Juneau, the stunning colourful houses along the river in Ketchikan, and then next you'll travel back down the Inside Passage, giving you even more time to experience the Celebrity Eclipse. Finally, you'll arrive back in Vancouver for another night's stay in a hotel, where you get a chance to explore the city in all its glory. Day 10 will see you boarding the incredible Rocky Mountaineer. Now, I've done this trip myself and it is spectacular. To start your rail journey, you travel from Vancouver to Kamloops in SilverLeaf Service, giving you the chance to witness the majestic Canadian Rockies. You'll have a hotel stay in Kamloops to experience the city in your own time during the evening, before boarding the Rocky Mountaineer once more to travel along to Banff for one last hotel stay. Make sure you don't miss these stunning views and, of course, some of the famous craft beers. The following day, you'll be flown back home from Calgary. This bucket list deal starts from just as little as £3,279 per person for an outside stateroom and includes your return flights, all overseas transfers, your port taxis and fees, all 4 of your hotel night stays during your cruise, your 2 days on board the world famous Rocky Mountaineer, and includes breakfast and lunch on board and all your meals and night bites on board the Celebrity Eclipse, including complimentary room service. You can treat yourself to a stunning balcony stateroom to make the most of this stunning itinerary for only an extra £100 per person, which also includes a free unlimited drinks package and gratuities for the duration of your cruise. That's got to be done. Now, if this sounds like the deal for you, then get in contact on the number below. Or if you're looking for something a bit different, still get in contact and we can find you your perfect cruise. Hiya, thanks for watching the video. Now, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe below. Remember to click that bell to get all notifications. And if you're looking for more fantastic travel video content, like this click on the videos to the right hand side. It'll be really informative. Or click on the Planet logo to the left to go to our website for some fantastic deals. Keep cruising.